Hello and welcome to our 1036 square foot 22F1 floor plan. And as we walk into the entryway, we have a beautiful large kitchen here with an extra large island. In this island, you will see that we have a pull down sprayer head faucet, double stainless steel sinks, lots of storage here under the bottom. This is fantastic. And your dishwasher. And on the other side here, plenty of seating, could possibly seat 4 or 5, depending on what size seating that you have. Also, extra large refrigerator. Inside of the freezer, we have the ice maker with the catch bucket and 2 shelves in the door, which will accommodate lots of ice cream and other groceries. And then inside the extra large fridge, we have 3 shelves here. So these are very deep. They can accommodate wine bottles, also gallon jugs, and 2 liters as well. So plenty of space for all your food and groceries. Lots of racks here and extra deep vegetable and fruit bins, and also for your cold cuts and cheeses. And right here you see that we have under cabinet lighting. So these are also separately controlled, not on a switch, but a switch all by itself, so that you have those nights where you just want a candlelight feel, or you're watching movies, or just to leave a light on while you're out. This is a perfect solution for that. Granite countertops and lots of cabinet space. You see 42-inch cabinets. Also stainless steel and black microwave, glass top range stove and oven. Lots of more cabinet space here with the under cabinet lighting, and also space for pantry. Now inside of these pantry cabinets, they have the shelving that is removable so that you can make it fit your lifestyle, which is fantastic. Here is our HVAC closet, which houses your hot water tank and your HVAC system. And then as you see the front door here, right when you walk in, there are double door closet, and we're housing your valet waste, for your valet waste, but also this is a nice coat closet to store vacuums, also coats, boxes, and supplies. And as you can see here, we have this nice, beautiful wood floor, and that leads us into the living room area. And ceiling fan with light here. We have outlets on both sides of the wall, so if you want to change around your room, you don't have to sacrifice light switches because they're all there. And as you see, nice big picture windows. We have wood blinds, and then out here you have this very nice sized balcony that is screened in to help keep bugs away. You have a nice landscaping here to have a private view from your balcony. Alrighty, so let's go this way. On this side is bedroom and bath number 1. So you have this nice sized bathroom, huge, lots of cabinets, huge mirror. This side has the tub, but it's also a shower sprayer head in there. We provide the shower curtain rod, which is the arch style, and it is built in. And then you have built-in shelving there. Alrighty. And then coming along here in this small hallway space, we have a little secret storage closet here. So again, you can use that for coats, storing, maybe the vacuum, all of that can fit there. And inside bedroom number 1, fully carpeted floors, nice size color carpet, a nice window, and a LED bright light. And look at this closet. This closet is huge, a huge walk-in, which it is ADA compliant, but you can certainly add more of these racks or change the racks to fit your lifestyle. All right, huge closet there. All right, let's walk this way. So coming across to the other side of this apartment home, right here in the hallway space is your laundry area. So you have a full-size stackable, and these are really large, so it's not small. That is a full size. You can get lots of things in there. Your comforters, your towels, all of that can fit in there quite comfortably. And then right behind is the entrance to bedroom number 2, which we consider this the master bedroom since it's private off to itself. Ceiling fan with light. As you can see, lots of space. This will fit a queen size bed, a king size bed, plus the nightstands and dresser. You also have cable outlets here as well too. Nice big picture window that sits privately. So you can see your balcony from there, and also some landscaping, but a private balcony indeed. And then coming around here, another huge walk-in closet for the master side. And again, this closet is ADA compliant, but you can certainly add additional racks or shelving to fit your lifestyle. And this is a closet. This closet is a carpeted space. And then here's the master bath. A nice big picture mirror. It is huge. Lots of storage. You see lots of cabinet space. And the floor here is a 20-inch tile. This side also has a walk-in shower, which is great. You have your built-in racks there and a spa shower head sprayer. Alrighty. And so again, this is our 1036 square foot 22F1 floor plan. And definitely check on our website at rentlakevue.com to check for the availability of this floor plan. We look forward to having you with us here at Lake Vue. Thank you.